Hi, this is Kalai Shelvi, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kakinada College. In this video, discuss about an introduction to routing algorithm in data communication and networking. First of all, routing algorithms. In order to transfer a packet from source to destination, the network layer must determine the best route through which packet can be transmitted. The network layer provides the datagram service or virtual circuit service. The main job of the network layer is to provide best route. So routing protocol provides this job. So routing protocol is a routing algorithm that provides the best path from source to destinations. So best path is the path has to least cost path from the source to destination. The routing is the process for forwarding the packets from one source to destination, but the best route to send the packet is determined the routing algorithm. Next one, classifications of routing algorithm. The routing algorithm is divided into two categories. One is adaptive routing algorithm, non-adaptive algorithm. Adaptive routing algorithm means your adaptive algorithm is also known as a dynamic routing algorithm. This algorithm makes a routing decision based on the topology and network traffic. The main parameters related to this algorithm are hoop count, distance, or estimated transmit time. An adaptive algorithm can be classified into three parts: centralized algorithm, isolation algorithm, and distributed algorithm. Centralized algorithm is known as the global routing algorithm as it computes the least cost path between source to destination by using the complete and global knowledge about the network. This algorithm takes the connectivity between the nodes and link cost as input, and the information is obtained before actually performing an calculation. A link state algorithm is referred to as the centralized algorithm since it is over the cost of each network in the network. Next one is isolation algorithm. Isolation algorithm is the algorithm that obtains the routing information by using local information rather than gathering information from other nodes. Next one, distributed algorithm is known as the decentralized algorithm as it computes the least cost path between source to destinations in an iterative and distributed manner. The decentralized algorithm, no node has to knowledge about the cost of all the network links. In the beginning, the nodes contains the information about only the own directory attached link, and through a iterative process of calculation compute the least cost path of the destination. A distance vector algorithm is a decentralized algorithm as it is never knows the complete path from source to destination. Instead, it knows the direction through which packet is forwarded along the least cost. Next, the non-adaptive algorithm. A non-adaptive routing algorithm is known as the static algorithm. When the booting of the network, the routing information stored to the routers. A non-adaptive algorithm do not take the routing decision based on the network topology of the network. So, there are two types of non-adaptive algorithm. First one is folding, second one is random walk. Folding is the case folding. Every incoming packet is sent to the all outgoing links except the one of from it is have been reached. The disadvantages of folding is that many contain several copy of a particular packets. A random walk in a packet sent by the node to one of the neighbors randomly. An advantages of the random walk is the use the alternative route very effectively. Next one, difference between adaptive and non-adaptive algorithm. First of all, basics of comparisons, adaptive and non-adaptive. First, the defined comparison. The adaptive routing algorithm is the algorithm that constrains the routing table based on the network conditions. A non-adaptive algorithm is an algorithm that constructs the static table to determine which node to be sent to the packet. Then next comparison is usage. The adaptive routing algorithm used to dynamic routing. A non-adaptive routing algorithm is used to static routing. Next comparison is routing decision. The routing decision is made based on the topology and network traffic in adaptive routing algorithm, and non-adaptive routing algorithm is routing decisions are the static tables. Next one is categorization. The types of the adaptive routing algorithm or types of non-adaptive algorithm or folding and the random box. Then one, complexity. Complexity is the adaptive routing algorithm are more complex, non-adaptive algorithm are simple. Thank you, students.